And now let's meet the kitty with the many toys, and he doesn't want to play with any of them. Do you, kitty? The mouse, the little 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 mouse. Oh, what, kitty? Are you sneezing?